Hi, I just wanted to talk about some of the charts that we've just added to Epistemeo. So it's a new section, charts there. And basically we've added chemistry sections, maths, physics. We're going to add some biology sections the next couple of days. And I'm just going to keep adding as many charts to this section as I can. It's all completely free. So you click on that and you've got some charts which allow you to set some variables. So for example, if you're looking at first order kinetics and you want to plot that out for homework or for tutoring or anything like that, then you can do that and you can see the effect that it has on the particular chart. Particularly important ones for tutoring, I suppose. If you're talking about periodicity, then you can have a look at these, like first ionization energies. They're all interactive, so if you hover over a peak, you'll get the value for that peak. So you can talk about how as you go along the groups and then go on to the say group 1 again, it becomes a similar value as you go through the periodic table. And these pie charts are all interactive, so as you can see, if you click on them you can open them up, so you can identify particular ones you want to talk about, and so on and so on. And if you right click on the chart, you can just print them off as well. Maths, particularly useful ones, for example sine waves, so you can put the variables in and then you click draw chart, and then once the chart's drawn you can just change the variables. For example, if we change that to a 4, you can see how that affects the sine wave in a particular region. And I copied this more or less into the physics section on waves, where you can change the amplitude and frequency just by changing that sine wave as well. But I've put the initial value there as 5, so you've got 5 sine waves. Obviously if you change that you can get different values. The number of data points basically reflects the number of points on the graph here, and the more you've got, the smoother the graph will look, but it might take a bit more time to render, so probably want to keep that in a reasonable number, less than 100 probably. I'll keep adding more graphs here to the sections. Obviously there'll be quite a lot in math section and maybe a lot more in physics section. I'm going to add some different types of graphs, and a good example of that is we're going to look at gravity, for example, in the physics ones. This highlights the different types of graphs that are available, and there's many types of graphs that I'm going to put up there to make tutoring, homework and personal study easier to understand some of the concepts, or maybe even just get a grasp of the scale of some of these numbers. So as you can see here, we've got some radar plots, and like I said, they're interactive, so you switch things on and off, and you can hover over the peaks, to get the values. So I hope this is going to be quite useful. It's completely free on the site, so you can just go along, and all you need to do is sign up as a member. Most of the things are free on the site, and the only thing that you have to pay for on the site is if you want to use a tutoring service. We've also got a homework section here, which I've just added, so you can go online with your friends and complete homework. You've got your own online whiteboard there to do homework. You've got webcam, chat and total control. You can invite whoever you want to your homework sessions as well. So there's just a few of the new things on Epistemeo. And like I say, I just wanted to just get a few of the charts up so you could all have a look at what we're getting up to. And like I say, it's completely free, so there's no reason not to get on there and download some of these charts. So bye for now.